Hi, I'm Shalini Bharadwaj. You all are watching ITV Networks Medically Speaking. We have with us Dr. Ganguly, who is a former Director General of ICMR. So today the important news is Center has approved Russia's COVID-19 vaccine Sputnik V. Dr. Ganguly, do you think this particular vaccine is going to be effective?
Is going to be effective and its efficacy is higher than the available vaccines which are being used in India. So it's about 85% to 90% efficacious. It has been used in a very large number of countries now, not only in Russia, it has been used in other European countries. It has been used in Serbia and many other countries. They also used it in Brazil and many other places. So its efficacy data is a global efficacy data. And it has been recently done in India, much before the other ones, when the mutants were available. So it is likely to work against mutant, at least against the British mutant, which is the predominant mutant at this given time. Initially, there was some misgiving with this vaccine because they have done it not in a very transparent way in their phase 1, phase 2 data, but later on they expanded the phase 3 in a huge number of people, very large number of people in Russia and other countries, and then gathered the data very nicely. So now that that particular doubt has gone, it has got two major components into this. It has taken up two adenovirus vectors, one from the Johnson Johnson and one from the Oxford. And using these two vectors, it thinks that it has a better efficacy. However, one adverse event we should always look at, as it is available in all, has been seen in all adenovectors, that those who are in blood thinners or who had deep vein thrombosis or who had platelet problems, they're a very rare thing, but they should be taking it under medical supervision if they have these conditions. All other conditions could take the vaccine safely.
Sir, how
Um,
much
uh,
this particular vaccine is affordable?
this will be affordable. Russian vaccine are much more affordable than other ones. And secondly, the material which is used to provide vaccine will be available because the sources of the vaccine material, which is one of the causes of major shortage, uh, will be available from Russian sources. So there should be no problem. And at the moment, we need more vaccine because if I have another vaccine, I will enhance the eligibility criteria. I will make it available to those above 29 and above, or even those 18 and above, because we didn't have enough vaccine, so we were going through different eligibility criteria. But now, if we have a third vaccine and if the manufacturing is quite large, we can do this. And there could be two methods of the sources. One method will be to whatever the Reddy's lab can produce. The second, equivalent quantity could be imported from the Russian sources, from Gamaleya Institute.
Sir, another thing is that is going to kill the virus.
Actually, so Johnson and Johnson vector has been now approved in the US and other places globally, and the first vector, that adeno 5, has also been approved by many countries in the Europe and other places. So even it is used in USA now. So there is both the vectored vaccine have been, only differences that one is being given to for priming and another is given as a booster. So that is the only difference. So it's an vector vaccine. And, there is no issue into this. Both of them independently also are vaccines.
But the good news is till now we were having only two choices. Now we have third choice also, right, sir?
Yeah, we have a third choice, and this vaccine is available in quite abundance. So maybe this will be available, this will enhance the eligibility. So at this time when there is a surge, uh, we need to vaccinate more and more people. So our vaccination rate is quite good. It has caught up 100 million. So if we really have a third vaccine available and more vaccination centers, maybe we can catch up with the USA and do 180 millions and vaccinate 180 millions and thereby gradually catch up in immunizing our population.
Thank you so much, sir, sharing such an important information related to Sputnik Week. Thank you so much talking to Medically Speaking.